Hi everyone, you are welcome back to another interesting question. We are asked to calculate the area in blue, that is this triangle PSV. We have the length of this side assumed to be x, that of this is 2a, and this line segment is a. We have side PQ to be of length 12 units. Here we observe 3 right angles, and from here angle SPV is 45 degrees. So this angle here is 45 degrees in size. How are we going to solve this? How are we going to calculate the area of this triangle PSV? It is very simple. We start from this triangle PTV. One of its angles is right. That makes it a right angle triangle. And we have this angle to be 45 degrees in size. Based on the rule that the summation of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, this angle must be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 45 degrees, which is 45 degrees. So the angle is 45 degrees in size. Now we have two pairs of congruent angles in the triangle. That makes it an isosceles right angle triangle. The legs of an isosceles right angle triangle are congruent, which are this and this. So since this side has its length to be 2a plus a, the length of this side must also be 2a plus a, which is 3a. Still on the triangle, since it is a right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem on it. The Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the length of the two other sides. The hypotenuse is the side facing a right angle, which is this here. So by Pythagoras, x squared equal to 2a plus a all squared plus 3a all squared. 2a plus a is 3a. 3a all squared plus 3a all squared can be written as 2 times 3a all squared. So x squared equal to 2 times 3a all squared. Take the square root of both sides of the equation. Here square root of x squared is x, while here square root of 2 times 3a all squared is root 2 times 3a, and root 2 times 3a is 3a root 2. So x equal to 3a root 2. That is, the length of this side is 3a root 2. Now come to this triangle STV. It is also a right angle triangle, and we have two of its sides to be of length a and 3a. We can use the Pythagorean theorem on it. This is the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras, the square of its length, let's say h, must be equal to sum of the squares of this a and this 3a. So h squared equal to a squared plus 3a all squared. 3a all squared is 3a times 3a, which is 9a squared. A squared plus 9a squared is 10a squared. Take the square root of both sides of the equation. Here square root of h squared is h, while here square root of 10a squared is 8 root 10. So h equal to a root 10. That is, the length of this side is a root 10. Come here, we see this angle and this. both are right angle and both are subtended by this same line PV, we know from the circle theory the diameter of a circle always subtends a right angle to its circumference. So here, if we assume this line PV is a diameter of a circle, its circumference will pass through this point and this point. Here we see this angle and this are subtended by this same arc QT. We know in a circle the angle an arc subtends to any point on the circumference is the same. So this angle and this are equal. If we let this be D, this must also be D. We look at this triangle. It is a right angle triangle and it has an angle D. Same is for this triangle. It is also a right angle triangle and it has an angle D. That makes the two triangles similar. So if we take the ratio of their sides, this side facing the right angle divided by this side also facing the right angle must be equal to this side divided by this. So 2a over a root 10 equal to 12 over 3a. Here a cancels a. So 2 over root 10 equal to 12 over 3a. This 12 divided by this 2 is 6. We cross multiply. 1 times 3a is 3a, while root 10 times 6 is 6 root 10. So 3a equal to 6 root 10. Divide both sides of the equation by 3. Here 3 cancels 3, while here 6 root 10 over 3 is 2 root 10. So a equal to 2 root 10. Substitute it here. 2 times 2 root 10 is 4 root 10. And here 3 times 2 root 10 is 6 root 10. Let's leave the length at 6 root 10 times root 2. Back to this triangle. To calculate its area, we can use the formula 1 over 2 AB sin C, where A and B are length of two sides of the triangle and C is the angle between them. If we let this be A and this B, this must be angle C. So A equal to 6 root 10, B equal to 6 root 10 times root 2, and angle C equal to 45 degrees. Substitute it here. So area of triangle PSV equal to 1 over 2 times 4 root 10 times 6 root 10 times root 2 times sin 45 degrees. 1 over 2 times 4 root 10 is 2 root 10. 2 root 10 times 6 root 10 is 12 times 10, which is 120. Sin 45 degrees is 1 over root 2. Root 2 times 1 over root 2 is 1. 120 times 1 is 120. So area of triangle PSV, which is blue area, equal to 120 square units. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and also turn on notifications. Thank you.